Right.
Exactly.
Yep.
Well, I mean, you have to go there. Jesus Christ, these drawstrings are hard to close.
Yeah, but I'll use them for pretty much. That's fine. Yeah, but I use these tomorrow. It's your birthday present, Bob.
My birthday present is
Well, that's your money out of it, that tenner.
True, yeah.
10 euros.
Oh, it's mine, is it?
Yeah, if you want.
Sure, I'll
Use that 10 euros that you got from Grandma.
True, yeah.
So if you if you buy food, there's points, right? And what's the point stuff?
Money off, I believe.
So you got to spend so much to get money off.
Yeah,
So how many points have you got?
quite a few, I think.
Yeah,
But I think it's per room key as well. I think it's like
what I don't
separate to
get,
every
what I don't get, what I don't understand is why they didn't tell you that.
So they do.
Where?
On a bunch of signs everywhere, basically every single shop.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, but you don't read.
But you've got to spend £40 to get points.
Well, I'm not sure. Well, no, because you get. I don't know.
So how many points did you say? How many experience you
A
got?
few, but I think it's only on the same card that she used earlier.
But I didn't know which cards it was.
Yeah, so next time you come here, remember which card you used to scan
the one
it.
with the name on it.
Yeah,
Yeah, so what do you get money off?
it's on a per card basis.
So it just gives you money off. So it just gives you money off stuff.
But she said we have €5
To spend on what?
if you spend 40.
I don't want to spend 40. I've never spent 40.
I know, but
But you lose it all anyway.
basically a way to get you to spend more money, basically.
Oh, yes. The bowl that I wanted it's only that other bowl, so I ain't going to bother.
Yeah.
It's not 5 day, babe. It's about a time push. It'll take us 15 minutes to get in. 10-15 minutes to get in. I've only got about 10 euros now. I get 20 back tomorrow on the scooter over. I'll just queue up for next time. Next time we come in and use scooters, I'll come at the park and get the scooters.
Yeah. Well, you can't drop off the park and everything.
That's 5 minutes. That's more than 5 minutes. It's more than 5 minutes. It's more than 10. I suppose it's cookies, isn't it?
Sí, ya está.
I've got to put some this on the laptop. I'll do that one thing.
Yep.
Because I want to record the plane going in.
Yeah.
That's more than 10. That's more than that.
Yeah, that's less than 10.
There'd be all about 4 parts of it on YouTube.
What?
All like, loads of stuff on YouTube be about 4 Park.
What?
What the new about 4 Park?
Yeah. You know, because I checked when we just came out of the bubble show, I checked the app. Every ride, but when we looked at Hyperia, had less than a 10-minute queue.
What about YouTube? It was all about Nemesis when it opened.
Yeah.
Legoland. That's when the open new ride. It was all about that ride.
Yeah.
It'll be about 20 minutes soon.
Yeah.
See, look, it's not very good with a pill, isn't it? It's not very good with a pill on this thing.
No. It's kind of slow.
It's supposed to make sure that sunset stays warm, yeah.
¿No quieres? Hombre, porque no quiero quedarme solo. No, no, extra. Bravo, pues sí. Y no te des cuenta, no estás. Que no me des cuenta. Ya está, vale mal, vale.
What about monkeys? What about monkeys? What about odd dogs? Odd dogs or monkeys?
I love them how there. Look how like stretched out these legs are.
What? Hey? Put them in it. Put them in it. So come next to him. Go by ahead. I was sitting by the entrance. We film it.
You want me to go sit down while you
Yeah,
return?
I'm talking about by the entrance.
I know, but you want me to sit down?
That's good. It's just a little circle.
Yeah. Pretty much. We went out, didn't we?
Yep.
Yep. So basically just gone in the circle. Yeah, all the school kids are already there.
We've got probably got the outer soon.
Yeah.
That's where we're staying. It's like this thing, it takes up the whole path. It takes up half the path, this thing. That's the place there, isn't it? Obviously, it seems like there's a store, isn't it?
What?
There's a store.
Mm. 1 hour.
Right? I reckon they've gone to the station.
What?
I reckon they've gone to the station, not really recording on stage.
Well, they were on yesterday.
Yeah, they didn't hear that. Part-time shows when we come back. It's getting slower, isn't it? It's getting slower, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's getting slower, this thing, isn't it?
Then again, you are only on 6.
Yeah, but even when it's like that, it's the
True.
snow. Can't see everyone, though.
True. Don't sit next to the school, please.
I don't reckon that you're filming choice. We're not looking right by the entrance. Because then I can film on the stage.
Yeah.
I don't think there's been school kids today. I think a lot of school kids are probably gone.
Yeah. Honestly, here.
No, we're not. We're sitting on the pond.
Yes.
Because they're not wearing gowies on.
Tingle standing.
Because then we can sit on the stage, man. While the stage filming, while the stage films. Like when the school kids were all sat beside me down. Ben,
Yeah.
like when all the school kids are stood.
Yeah.
Probably go the other side.
Yeah. Like where that bench is all the one we do.
Yeah, you get round there. First down here, so but that's it, the other side.
I don't really slip.
No, I'll go to the other side. Let's say we'll just go on the opposite side, probably one day. It's probably a school textbook.